Hey, welcome to another My Two Good Hands video. Out here on the Explorer again. Look what happened. Two-sided tape ripped loose that we put on our last fix. So what we did was we went to Amazon and bought a new one of these. We got to get this popped off. We're going to pop the door lock so we can get this thing open, and then we're going to get out our tool kit where we can pry this loose. First thing we're going to do is open the door and see if that makes it easier to just pull away. Oh yeah, that came off easy, didn't it? Broke all the clips in the process. So you can see how everything got broke off. I don't know if you can see that, but you probably see that. I know it's sunny out. So let's see what's underneath there. Looks like we got a piece we got to pop out here. So we'll have to get our tools out for that. It looks like we got a lot of nuts here. I don't know what size they are, but we'll have to figure those out here in a minute. And then we take this piece off, put our new piece on. Okay, so we figured it out. You will need a 8mm socket. And what we're going to do is close the door. Come in here and we're lining these up in the order that they come out, in case some of them are different. But right now they're all looking the same. Yep, they're all looking the same. Well, there you go. Looks like we can get that off pretty easy. Looks like that even broke, so such a deal. Let's see what we got next here. Got to get this out. You can see we got all these weld nuts, so that's good. Go get a rag. We'll wipe this thing off. Got to get this out. We got all these great little tools here. We're going to try this one here and see if we can get that in there. Hey, look at that. Okay. Oh, looks like I've got that out. So we're going to put these tools away. Won't need them anymore. We'll go get a towel, clean this thing off. There we go. We know we took this one off, broke it out of here like this, so I think we'll open the door when we put the other one back on, maybe not. Looks like we can tuck this in pretty good, so let's go get the new one. So here's our new piece, and looks like we can tuck it in here. Looks like it'll go in down there, in there. Looks like it'll pretty much line right up. We put these screws in the reverse, we took them out. You don't want to crack these, so just snug them up good. Remember, it's plastic and rubber. This one at the bottom here is kind of tricky. I make sure this rubber piece is not under it. And you can get it in there. Again, just nice and snug. And go back and double check them. Make sure they're just nice and snug. There we go. So we're nice and snug. We shouldn't need the wrench anymore. Okay. All right. So the new one comes with this nice protective coating. Now you don't have to take this off, but some of it's tucked around the back. So you definitely need to take that part of it off so you can put it on. Another thing you're going to have to do is open the door again. So now we can see that this is going to line up. Don't have to worry about getting some of this out of here. You don't want this tucked underneath, so you can see how we're just going to be able to tuck this in. Hopefully we can tuck it in down here too. It looks like we'll be able to tuck this in first and then push this into there. Yeah, it looks like that's going to go pretty easy. Now it also has this two-sided piece of tape here, if you can see this, to hold this edge down. So you got to take this off. The good news is your other piece is new and clean. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this, get it in here. If you look real close down in here, you can see the little slot, just like that. And then, see, we're getting those in. And we're going to work our way up from here. See how easy that snapped in, all right? And it's kind of gluing itself down. If you're worried about it gluing down, you could leave this blue stuff on here. Let's close the door. So you leave the blue stuff on, but we're going to take this blue stuff off. There you go. You can see how easy that snapped on. And it's on. It's on. That ain't going anywhere. So there you go. So that's how easy it was to replace this trim piece. You could try taping it like I did. Unfortunately, the tape let loose and then the thing broke on the highway. You can see there's a little bit of a difference in color because it's a brand new piece. Did get it on Amazon for like 50 bucks instead of going to the dealer. They're real expensive at the dealer. So do it on Amazon. You don't really need those tools. You can use a putty knife to pry that one piece out. It's going to be broken there. Probably going to be. Going to need an 8mm socket. Links will be down below for everything you need off of Amazon. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Post notifications on. Don't miss another My Two Good Hands video. We'll be back, but not after sunset. So sun's going down. This is fixed. We're happy to see it. We're all good here again. We'll let you know if the thing blows off on the road. But you know what? I can see that this is really, when I push it down like this, it is really on here. This is not going anywhere. I can't get it off anymore. So there you go. Post notifications on. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.